Up my freaky fellas, today we are playing some hole.io. Let me just name myself. And I'm here trying to play with Smelly Tank Engine. And so we're going to be trying to play with each other. And 3, 2, 1, press play. Wait. We're on different maps. Oh. Okay. So we're on different maps. Which kind of sucks. Oh, I'm just eating a park. How are you doing? Ooh. Nom. I just ate that whole. Nom. I want to eat that one. Oh, I'm eating houses.
What place are you?
First.
Same.
We are eating everything in sight. Out of sight, out of mind. Well, if it's out of my sight, it ain't there. It ain't in anyone's sight. Oh, nom. Oh, just eat the other park. It's literally the... Right, so when you're on this map, I'd say go for the
points.
Wow, 714 points. So guys, when you're on this map, I'd say go for the parks, because they will literally make you a god. I'm gonna kill this dude. Yes, I got a new skin. Wait, you got the same skin as me?
What did you get?
I got the Godzilla looking one.
I hate ads.
Can't even skip it. Ah! Oh, I can skip it.
Wait, I'm put on your skin.
Yeah, I'm gonna put on my skin too. Skins. Godzilla. I is the Godzilla. Right, 3, 2, 1.
Would you have to beat?
I'm in here. I'm with Indigo Red. I don't think you're in here.
No, I'm not.
And that sucks. But anyway, I'm on this map again. So I can eat more parks. And people. And their cars. Why are there so many trees falling down over the road?
Really cool little map.
I found a park. I'm always on the same map.
I'm already first place.
I'm already first place. I'm like 1,000,000 points away from second place.
There's no one going to be catching me up anytime soon.
Yeah, me neither. Second place is at 70 points. I'm at 218.
My second place is at 88, and I'm on 380.
Wow. Oh, I'm at like 400.
now over 400.
I'm destroying people. Wait, do you respawn in this now? I forgot. I played this ages ago. Can't remember if they added respawning. If they did, that's a bit silly. But it was a bit hard to get the black hole. And I really hope I get the black hole because it's my favourite skin. But you have to gulp down 10 people in one match. Oh, I got him. I got the black hole. I'm also literally eating the entire map.
How do you have the black hole already?
I killed 10 people. Because no, Ryan, I literally ate, like, the entire map.
I just ate the Alpha Tower.
I just ate everything. Woo! I'm gonna put on my black hole skin. Oh,
Jeez, I'm on 1,000 points.
it's bad.
I'm not like a mouse. I'm not 2 skins that game. Look at my
Mm.
points compared to second place.
Yeah, that's about what I got. I got the 1,000 points one. Black hole. I killed 11 people that match. Oh yeah, I got the zombie skin as well. I got the zombie skin and I got the rat skin. A
I
rat.
got to score 1,000 points. And I got...
Alright. The rat one.
Yeah, where is it?
It's like behind the 1,000 points one. It's like one of the first ones. Still back.
Oh, she's on.
Yeah, right.
3,
3, 2, 1. I keep on getting the same map.
Well, we ain't saying the same game.
No, we aren't in the same game. Mainly because we aren't even on the same map. I want to nom down Buzzbait. But he's too big. We're the same size. Which kind of
I'm not
sucks.
even first anymore.
Neither am I.
I can't find anything.
No, me neither. I'm in like the middle of a clearing.
What place are you?
Third.
My thing hasn't even said level up yet.
Oh. I've hit 1 level up.
Oh,
Level
I
up?
hate it. There you go, I'm on the move now.
Alright, I'm climbing the leaderboards now. Problem is, you have to get in first place in the early game, because it's really hard to get into first place in the later game.
Well, mine's only on 61 points, so I can catch up.
Mine's at 121 points. Oh, it's not impossible for me to catch up. Oh, I'm in first now.
Oh,
I'm like
I'm already in first.
I'm like 100 points ahead of
Literally,
second.
I got 3 cars and I went into first place.
Wow. I gulped an entire park and an entire block of buildings.
I can't eat a building yet. Oh yeah, I can.
I'm at like 400 points though.
I'm not.
I'm gonna eat this skyscraper.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can't. I'm not big enough. They are literally just chucking buildings about. What is going on? I'm just gonna come over here and suck it all into my black hole. Nom 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 nom.
Yeah, how long's left on yours?
6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I didn't even get to eat the skyscraper. I ate the skyscraper.
I hit somebody.
Sweet. You need to eat 10 people, get into first place, and hunt for people. Yeah, ranked up.
Have you seen anyone with black hole?
No. I think, personally, it's my favourite skin.
Alright, 3,
2,
1.
go. We're in the same map. Oh, come on. I didn't see you.
I don't see you.
No!
You started for me.
We finally get into the same map. I'm on a different map, though. I'm happy with being on a different map. Because I'm
I
never
like this map.
on a
I've been
different
on this
map.
3 times in a row.
Why was there a mech running through the buildings?
I know, that's my favourite bit.
No, why is there a mech running through the buildings?
Don't know, that's my favourite bit though.
I find it weird.
You just see it running past you.
Yeah, I know. I find it still pretty
I'm
weird.
5th, and it's 1 minute left.
I'm
I
in
can't find
second.
anything.
Yo, this map's really good. I
know,
want
but
to eat that mech.
You'll be like me in a minute, you can't find anything.
I want to eat the mech. Oh, I'm eating a whole load of people. Oh, eat the mech. I can eat the mech. No, I can't. Yes, I can. Fool. I just ate the massive robot mech.
Time to come back in first place.
Oh no. Someone's in first place. I'm going to eat all of these and just pass him.
What? How much points is your first place on?
I'm first place now.
I have to catch up really quick to get first place.
Yeah, I had to. I only have like 20 seconds left.
How many points is your second place on?
400. 450.
That's how much mine's on my first place.
Oh.
What I've lost.
I'm on like 650.
Unless I gulp some houses down, then I'll probably catch up.
I need to size up. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Eat the massive building! Oh, I couldn't eat the building. Anyway, I won.
No, I came second.
Bro, this is actually really, really fun.
I'm gonna turn on the Wi-Fi so stop that.
Yeah.
Wait, 3,
2,
1,
1.
go.
Oh, I'm on the boat map.
I'm in zone 1.
I'm on the pirate map. First time I've been here. Someone's name is Loot. Loot's what I need. And want. And breathe. I breathe loot. You should know this about me. We're both just so focused we can't even commentate.
I just want to eat this person. That sounds
I just
really
ate a
brutal.
well. How does a hole eat a hole? I just noticed that. How would that work?
Meow.
Size up. Nom 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 nom. I saw this pirate ship map in the ads, and it's actually so cool. I just ate an entire field of flowers, and now I'm at like 150 points.
I'm first this game.
Yeah, so am I.
I'm gulping big towers.
We're first every game.
Except that one that I was in.
Yeah, except that one. But still, that was only one game that you weren't first in. I'm gonna eat this castle. Does it even count as a castle? It's more of a mansion. I'm gonna eat the mansion. I'm gonna eat this pirate ship instead, because the mansion won't fit. Eating pirate ships. Eating pirate
I
ships.
got the black hole.
Oh, nice. Black hole bros.
Just look at me. I'm just still killing people. While I'm eating people.
Thank God. Yes, I ate the mansion finally. An orca.
Look what I'm eating.
I ate the killer
Look what I'm
whale.
trying to eat.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm using black hole already. 3.
Hold on, I'm in an ad. Wait, didn't you turn your Wi-Fi off to...
Yeah, you have to keep these on the video with.
Alright,
Right, 3,
hold on. 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. I'm in a different map.
What's your man?
I'm in the mech map.
Oh, wait, are you using black hole?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm in the map with the mechs.
Yeah, my map changed straight away when I got this.
I'm in first place. Easily.
I'm second, but I'm gonna get first.
I literally walked like a meter away and got first place.
I'm first now.
Sweet.
I'm gonna eat this person. I'm eating a shark, but I'm a black hole.
Black holes will eat anything. Do you know what I don't understand about this game?
What?
How would a hole eat a hole? How would a hole eat a well? A well is a hole. How does a hole eat a hole?
I need to be first place.
Yeah, we need to be first place on everything.
Are you first place?
Yeah. My second place has got 24 points and I've got 300 and something. I've got like 350 points.
I can get in first place, but I'm gonna have to eat him.
Right. Look how many points I've got and look how many points my second place has got. It's just like, how? I'm just gonna like eat the entire map now. Because they aren't eating anything, so I can just eat everything. I want to eat this skyscraper. Please. Let me eat it.
I'm first. I just ate like millions of houses.
Same. I ate the skyscraper!
Tippy.
I have conquered my one goal in this game. Eat the skyscraper.
I've already ate one.
Oh.
I've ate like 4.
Yeah, I've never done it because I've never been in the right area at the right time. Mate, I'm at 1,700 points.
I didn't even need to get high because I won.
I'm at 1,700 points. And my second place is at 77 points. He's probably wondering what's going on. Am I hacking? And how is no one else... Oh, I just hit it. I just hit 2,000 points. I got a skin for it. Oh, I got like a rainbow hole. And I just got a shark.
I've seen loads of sharks.
Alright, that match ended.
No, I got eaten. Oh, you do respawn.
Look, I got this skin.
Cool. You do respawn, by the way.
I mean, that's... You know, I know the black hole's my favourite, but I'm going to be my second favourite one. The one that looks like the worm, this with the rotating teeth.
I was losing, now I'm technically in first.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm technically in first. Just look at the point difference.
Wow.
I mean, not much.
Nah, it's definitely not like it's more than 100 point difference.
It wouldn't be for me. I'm eating houses already.
Yeah. I'm just eating flowers. To be honest, I'm just eating flowers. Alright. I'm eating trees now. Oh, I'm in first place now. I'm technically in first place. Oh yeah, I am. Nom. I love how kills give you 10 points. Super fun.
Okay.
You know the dude I said I just killed?
Yeah.
He was a crocodile skin, and guess where he spawned?
Where?
In my mouth.
Not for me.
Literally spawned inside my mouth.
Do you think I can win in the 6 seconds?
Yeah.
Oh, I done it. I won.
I believe in you. That's why.
I've been like falling and thinking of winning that.
I need to eat this killer whale. I did it. I'm eating the entire map. I'm on the pirate ship map. And I'm eating the entire map. Just the whole thing. I found a castle on the pirate ship map. A literal castle. I need this in my belly. Get in. No, quickly. Eat the castle. Yes, I ate the castle. I left one tower untouched. How did this dude have one level up in his entire career? These two people had one level up. Ryan. 9 points and 5 points. How did someone have 5 points? On probably the easiest map. I have no clue. This is so fun. I'm going to do more videos like this. I was thinking of doing a video of like a Tuesday saying you choose Tuesday, where you comment game ideas or video ideas and I'll do them on a Tuesday. The best part is that it's on Tuesday, not Friday, not Wednesday, Tuesday. So as I'm eating these rocks and trees, I think I'm big enough to start eating these buildings. Yup. Just, can I eat them lighthouses? I need to get down to the castle as quick as I can, because I need to eat it. There's a killer whale. Oh baby, a triple. Yup, found it. Found the castle. I found the castle. Nom. Just eat the wall, now. I'm gonna name my little wormy Jimmy. Little Jimmy, eat that castle. Eat the castle, Jimmy.
There's elephants walking around.
Yeah, you have to eat them. Eat the elephants.
I don't have enough.
Oh. Because if you did, there's a skin called Zoo Escape. And you need to eat all different types of animals that are roaming around. And I believe an elephant is one of them.
Well, elephant is an animal, so yeah.
I don't know, I don't think an elephant's an animal. My little wormy dude's called Jimmy.
What's a species?
Yeah, it's a species of animal. Alright, what do I do? Oh! Ranked up. Eat 15 cops in classic mode, alright. Reach the max size, reach silver rank, reach gold rank, diamond, platinum.
Well, I've already got a zoo escape. That was really easy.
Oh, okay. I haven't.
I just ate an elephant and I got it.
What's one for whole, whole for one? Eat someone, then they eat you? I need to eat policemen and yeah, rank up, really. Eat policemen and rank up. Ah! I forgot about the mech. This is insane. I love the mech. It's just like, wee. Oh yeah, we kind of stopped trying to play with each other, didn't we?
I gave up.
Yeah. No, this dude's trying to eat me. I'm just trying to eat my fences. Leave me in peace to eat my fences. Okay? Alright. Oh, this is easy to get in first place. He only had like 64 points. The dude only had like 64 points, so I literally just ate some cars and some fences, and now I'm in first. My worm is just full. He literally won't eat anything. Probably because he's got his mouth full. And his stomach full of buildings and stuff. I need to reach maximum size. I need to reach maximum overdrive. And yeet. Nom 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 nom.
You know when you said and yeet?
Yeah.
The building flew.
Nom. 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 Size up. What's the highest size that you can be?
So why didn't you get 2K?
There's battle mode. Or there's solo run, which is just eat the entire map.
Oh, how'd you get onto that?
Game modes section. Instead of just starting a new game, press the game modes bit. Okay?
Yeah.
And eat policemen.
What one did you do?
I'm still on classic. But next round I'm gonna be...
I'm going to be the last hole.
Okay. Last hole standing.
Battle Royale.
Yep. I'm gonna do the solo one, eat the entire map, because why not?
Wait, do you do that by yourself?
Yeah, because it's solo.
I'm trying to get away from them so I don't get eaten and
The shark I just ate spawned in the park where I was literally sat. And I just saw a shark head from in the middle of this massive rotating teeth worm. And it's just like, oh, well, I got 10 more points. Because of Mr. Sharky. Sharky Malarkey.
I got eaten.
Ah. Now that's bad. You don't want to get eaten. Even though that's a good game on Roblox, you don't want to get eaten. Oh! Unless it says in classic mode, going on solo mode is going to be the best way to...
I'm on solo mode right now.
Yeah, it's going to be the best way to get, you know, the full size 3 times. Unless it says on classic mode. Because if it says that, then you have to do it on classic.
This time's 2 minutes like usual.
Yeah, I know. You have 2 minutes.
Classic go faster than time though.
Yeah, probably. I want to find out the biggest size.
I've eaten the whole entire park.
I literally ate the entire map, apart from these buildings. I had to have been the highest, rank. No, not rank. Mass. Oh, if we play again tomorrow, guess what we can do?
What?
Get a love heart skin.
If we get 100% of the map in 2 minutes.
Yeah. Right, solo mode. Yeah, it does say you have to do it on classic mode.
What do you have to do?
The, get max size. You got a deer. That's cool. You got a deer to add to your collection of zoo escapes.
I nearly ate the whole map.
Mate, I nearly ate the whole map on classic mode. When when you watch this Mr. Tank Engine, when you watch this video on YouTube, you will see I almost ate the entire map on thingy. Classic. Yeah, I actually do feel like Classic is a bit more rough on time.
Right now, it says 60 seconds left.
It just did say 60 seconds left.
No, me. And there's 1 minute and 4 seconds.
Yeah.
And it will usually say 0 o'clock.
Have I only eaten like 16% of this map? I'm bad at memorizing this map, that's the problem. You have to be able to memorize the map so you can memorize where all the good hotspots are, so you can get bigger, faster. Yeah. I like to memorize the hotspots of maps.
All I know is I have 10% already. And 60 left and 4%.
There's 5 seconds left and I'm barely even done anything. I've done like 30%. Give me the normal map, I'll destroy this on that.
This is the normal.
No, I'm on the mech map.
Oh.
I'm bad at memorising the mech map. I'm a beast with the other one. You know, if you eat 100% of the map, it gives you 100 stars. So you can pretty much rank up almost instantly. Oh no, I'm going onto the Pirate Seas map. That's going to be fun. I get to eat flowers as a starter. And campfires. Please level up fast. So I can destroy the map. Yup, now I can eat trees. There's a massive killer whale. Leave no coconut uneaten. Yo, instead of leave no stone unturned, leave no coconut uneaten. Oh, flower fields. Wait, there's a volcano? Yo, on this map, there's a literal volcano. Did you know that? Hello? Did you know there's a volcano on the pirate map?
No.
It's actually pretty cool. I want to go and eat it. I can't yet though, because I'm not big enough.
On what map?
The pirate map, the sea one.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I found a cat. I didn't even see it, I just ate it.
I got that.
I honestly didn't see it, I just ate it. I was just eating around, and it said, cat captured. And I'm like, alright, captured. I don't know about captured, more eaten. Anyway, that's going to end it here for this video. It's already 34 minutes long. I'll be dishing out another one probably tomorrow on the same game. And goodbye. Have a great time.